Hello everyone, welcome to Yourpedia. So today we are here at IIT Hyderabad and we are covering the research and insights from the second edition of the iInventive, which is the biggest R&D fair. So I got an opportunity to interact with one of the research scholar of IIT Bombay, Alia, right? So before we proceed ahead with the deep discussion regarding this project and all, please introduce yourself to the student, please.
Hello everyone, myself Alia Khan. I am a third year PhD scholar at Bioscience Department under the guidance of Professor Rahul Purwar, IIT Bombay.
Okay, so great. Alia, see, there is a misconception among the student as yourself, you're a PhD student, right? So what is the culture of research in IIT Bombay? What kind of workload do they have, whether they get the industrial opportunity or not? Many people believe doing PhD is ultimately ending up getting a teaching job. What is your take on this, please?
I think IITs have a lot of opportunity, not just with respect to academia. Like, if I talk about IIT Bombay, this
Right.
one project that I am working on, CAR T cell therapy. It's a very good example of how academia and industry partnership can help one achieve their, the success of the project. So it's a translational project. Basically, the R&D work started at IIT Bombay. Okay, we have done the phase 1 trial, but because of the help of the industry partner ImmunoAct again is a startup company at IIT Bombay by my guide Professor Rahul Purwar. So the project that I was working with, okay, this is a novel project. As a PhD student, we have to do something that never existed, or we are trying to answer to some unsaid
There
questions.
should be something novel, right?
Yeah,
Novelty must
exactly.
be there.
So this everything has been patented. Now, with the help of the company, we were able to fasten the clinical trials and reach commercial, authorization part. So I think that is one important thing that every student should understand, that how it's not just that academia alone can reach to the destination soon. Their industry can help you fasten up the process and uh, make your project, like for example, as I said, this project is one of the example. uh, our end result, or like expectation was that many cancer patients should be benefited from this particular treatment, and I think industry has played a very important role in achieving our whatever idea was. I'm so
Truly,
sorry,
truly,
sorry
Ali,
to.
that's very true. That's very true. Now, my next question is that, see, as a research scholar, you are a participant and you are a participant of this entire project.
Yeah.
So, how many other students are contributing to this project under your supervisor?
As I said, this project started back then in 2014. The proof of concept and like the birth of the project started in 2014. So there's this one, like my seniors, Alka Dwivedi and Mr. right now Dr. Atharva Karulkar, they alongside of my guide, they started this project. And by the time this project, went ahead, a lot more PhD students got involved in the project, and this was something very new, never existed in India. So right from the scratch, the entire manufacturing platform, many PhD students are involved in this.
Okay, so what is your background? Earlier to PhD, what was your background?
So I have done my bachelor's and master's in biotechnology from Mumbai itself.
Okay, now we come to the placements of, in IIT Bombay, bachelor, obviously that's a marvelous placement. Again, for the masters, very good companies are coming. What is the scenario of placements for PhD scholar? Although it's a bit of weird, but we can't go for that. If you want to go for the PhD, placement must be the concern. That is not a prime criteria for choosing PhD, but still, many people are looking for the career option after the PhD. So since you are enrolled in the course, so what is the placement scenario for PhD people in IIT Bombay? If they are not getting, how IIT Bombay is helping them? How IIT Bombay is helping them to incubate their own startup, how IIT Bombay is helping them to convert their research finding, whatever you quoted earlier, into some industry products.
Okay. The very first thing that I want to highlight is we get a lot of opportunity to present our work at an not just at national level but international level, and that is where we get in touch with a lot more scientists worldwide, like eminent scientists in our field. So postdoc avenues open when we try to
Right.
present our work at an international conference, and that is where it gets clear in the head whether you want to pursue a postdoc or whether you really want to join an industry, the way you are able to present your
Right, right,
work.
right.
So I think that's one point, that is that IITs do help us understand. The next thing is about the industry. So the ImmunoAct that I mentioned before, it's a startup founded by my guide, but there are two more PhD students who are the co-founder of this startup.
Great.
Dr. Alka Dwivedi and Dr. Atharva Karulkar.
Okay.
So I think it depends on the guide themselves that they a long vision is required to see where the project can go to, and having students on board definitely helps.
Right, 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 right.
And this is just one example, but in IIT there are many startups started by the PhD student themselves with the help of their guide.
Right, 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 right. So, Alka, my last question is now if we talk in brief and quick regarding this project, what all technologies and area were included into this project and what real time problem basically it's helping out?
So, CAR T cell therapy is basically an amalgamation of immunology and genetic engineering. So, basically, what we are trying to do is we are trying to engineer the immune cells and give them back to the patient so that the cancer cells, these engineered cells can identify the cancer cells and eliminate them. A lot of molecular biology is also involved in this because we do a lot of QC assays before giving it to the patient. It's something about a life.
Right.
So quality control has to be very strict. So molecular biology is again involved in this. So and yeah, the start of the project always starts with bioinformatics.
Okay.
So computational biology, immunology, then genetic engineering, molecular biology, everything is involved in this project
Right.
for the success of this project.
So, Alka, it was a truly insightful conversation. I believe many scholar or research scholar, aspiring researcher will be watching this, viewing this, and they will get a help from this in deciding what area to choose and why PhD is still a better option. And PhD is not only end up getting as a faculty, you can expect some industrial collaboration where you can convert yourself as an entrepreneur also. Thank you.